Welcome to ASC CVC Construction. Today we present 24 exceptional villas, 8 unique concepts, each explored through 3 distinct architectural aesthetics. Each design tells a different story, from timeless tradition to bold contemporary expression. Villa Thalassa in pure modern form, sharp geometric volumes of stone and glass, a bold cantilevered pool and absolute clarity of design. The same spirit, completely reimagined. Villa Elia becomes a floating composition of horizontal stone and glass volumes, gently placed among the olive trees, minimalist, luminous, and deeply connected to nature. Villa Anemos transforms into a dynamic sculptural statement. White and stone forms with expansive glass, an infinity pool that seems to dissolve into the horizon, a new level of modern luxury. Villa Daphne as a series of low-refined pavilions arranged around a central garden. Clean geometry, quiet luxury, and complete immersion in greenery. Villa Helios in its modern expression. Long horizontal glass facades and flat roofs. A precise lap pool that mirrors the sky. Architecture designed for light. Villa Petra becomes a bold cliffside composition of stone and glass volumes. Minimalist and dramatic. Perfectly integrated into the vertical rock face. A masterclass in modern cliffside living. Villa Thalos reborn as a pure circular contemporary structure. Clean columns and geometric harmony. A central infinity pool and perfect geometric harmony in every line. Villa Nereus in fluid modern form. Soft curved volumes of stone and glass that flow toward the sea, creating a seamless connection between architecture and water. Modernity and flow. Finally, we explore the organic expression. Flowing forms, biophilic design, and nature-integrated architecture. Villa Thalassa with soft sculptural curves rising from the cliff. Architecture that feels grown from the rock. A rounded infinity pool, and architecture that feels grown from the rock itself. Villa Elia as a warm, flowing composition of curved limestone volumes nestled in the olive grove. Soft, inviting, and deeply biophilic. A true sanctuary in nature. Villa Anemos shaped by the wind. Dramatic white sculptural forms with fluid energy, moving across the hilltop with fluid energy and artistic freedom. The wind sculpted. Villa Daphne dissolves into the landscape, soft-edged pavilions of stone and wood with curved roofs. A natural pool that feels like part of the garden. True harmony with the soil. Villa Helios with layered, flowing horizontal volumes and warm materials. A sculptural celebration. A sculptural celebration of light and landscape at sunset. Architecture in rhythm with the sun. Villa Petra as organic architecture emerging from the cliff. Soft terraces and natural pools. Forms that feel both ancient and completely modern, born from the cliff itself. Villa Thalos in gentle circular motion. Soft sculptural rings of stone and concrete, embracing a central garden and pool. A modern take on the ancient circle. And Villa Nereus. Fluid wave-like forms that dance with the coastline, sensual and elegant. Born from the meeting of land and sea, an elegant final expression of luxury. Villa Daphne, the hidden garden. A romantic Byzantine-inspired retreat of warm ochre walls, soft domes, and red-tiled roofs, completely embraced by lush gardens and tall palms. The same villa, reimagined. Clean geometric volumes of white concrete and local stone float among the trees, centered around a precise linear pool of pure serenity. Villa Anemos, the wind sculptor. Golden limestone, elegant arched colonnades, and a perfect circular infinity pool, overlooking the open sea. Classic Corfu strength with refined proportions. Villa Thalassa, the Maritime Fortress. A powerful stone citadel rising dramatically from the rock. Thick walls, arched openings, and a bold infinity pool suspended above the waves. Villa Elia, the olive grove sanctuary. A majestic Corfu manor of golden stone and red roofs. Surrounded by perfectly ordered gardens and an organic lagoon pool set within ancient olive trees. Villa Thalos, the circular citadel. A perfect contemporary circle of white concrete and stone. Clean columns, open colonnades, and a central turquoise pool of absolute geometric harmony. Another expression of Villa Thalassa. Raw local limestone, fortress-like strength. and a dramatic cantilevered pool that seems to float above the Ionian Sea. Villa Nereus, the sea god's retreat. Fluid white volumes of glass and stone resting on the rocky coastline, glowing under the last light of the day. Villa Helios, the solar observatory. Layered horizontal volumes of warm stone and glass cascade down the hillside, with a long illuminated pool that follows the contours of the land. Villa Thalassa in its most organic form. Soft sculptural curves of concrete and stone emerge from the cliff, creating a seamless infinity edge that dissolves into the sea. Villa Nereus becomes pure sculpture. Sensual white curves and flowing terraces embrace the pool and the horizon in one continuous gesture. Villa Petra, the rock monastery. Ancient stone volumes cascade down the vertical cliff face, connected by staircases and natural rock pools. Timeless and dramatic. Villa Animos in its boldest expression. Dramatic white sculptural wings stretch toward the sea, beneath a powerful sky. Architecture as pure movement. Or the refined classic version of Animos. Warm limestone, graceful arched loggias, and a circular infinity pool perfectly framed by the Mediterranean landscape. Villa Petra reborn in contemporary form. Sharp white and stone volumes cling to the rock face, floating above the mist with quiet, powerful presence. Villa Daphne returns to nature. Soft organic volumes of stone and timber nestle among the trees, with a natural pool that feels completely at one with the landscape. Villa Thalos in pure modern minimalism. An open circular form of concrete and stone, light and shadow playing across the colonnade and the central pool. Villa Nereus at its most poetic. Architecture that flows like water. Soft terraces and green-tinted forms cascade gently down to a private sandy cove. Villa Helios in warm contemporary stone. Horizontal layers of glass and limestone open completely to the landscape, with a long reflective pool that captures the sunset. These are more than villas. They are carefully crafted statements of architecture, place, and emotion. We create legacies in Corfu. Which vision speaks to you? ASC CVC Construction. We design and build the exceptional in Corfu. www.aerial-shots-corfu.gr. ASC CVC Construction. Build, complete, deliver.